Conversation, Lesson 18. How many teaspoons of sugar do you put in your coffee? Have you ever caught a fish? What are the disadvantages of youth? Do you have glass in the entrance door? What is the width of your bed? Do you ever use a beach umbrella? Are you going to have any appointment tomorrow? Do you know or can you estimate the circumference of the Earth? What was your biggest pain in life? What do you believe in? And now try to create sentences from following words: share, worry, leak, classroom, limit. And now try to write down the dictation. As soon as you have finished, try to read it out loud so that you can train a bit of reading, a bit of pronunciation, and listening to yourself. Before I started the dorms, I was worried a lot because I didn't know anyone at the new school. I knew I would have to share a room with 2 other girls. In the end, all turned out great beyond expectations, and we became an inseparable trio. It has totally blown my mind. Last week, I attended the wedding of one of my roommates. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.